welcome and thanks for joining us on Drone Expo 2026. So we are so glad to have you here and we are excited to know your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let's start with a few questions. Please introduce yourself and tell our customers about your company.
So, my name is Rajat and I'm from Asim Navigation India Pvt Limited. So we are Delhi based firm and we are having different equipments for your different solution.
Okay.
So starting from your wireless to navigation and to your surveillance, we have different models to your different applications. So we are the manufacturers of these license free walkie talkies. It's our in-house manufacturing and it's completely make in India product. So we have three models in walkie talkie segment. We have in-house body one camera manufacturing. It's completely make in India and it's totally approved with your wireless programming commission. Apart from this, we are having some imported gadgets. As you can see, this is Mosaic. This is 360 camera. So basically, it is used for your surveying and mapping purpose also. And talking about the prices, like it will go somewhere around 90 lakhs. We have this. Let me show you. We have this handheld DGPS also.
Nice.
So it is again used for your surveying and mapping purpose. So like as per your requirement, we have complete segment of these products.
That's nice, sir. Which is your heroic product showcasing on this Drone Expo 2026, sir?
See, talking about the heroic product, all the products are heroic because we are very unique in terms of technology. We are having different and unique products which you can't find at other platform. So talking about those binoculars, they comes in your HD. These are all our HD binoculars. So we supply those binoculars in government department and in NSG. So like in India, we are the one who is having the authorization chip for these particular devices. Apart from us, there are no other brand who will provide you such gadgets.
That's nice, sir. In your views, what is your biggest strength that keeps you unique from others?
See, in terms of strength, my products are my strength,
That's
right?
nice.
So, like I have, different products comparatively to other brands because in terms of binoculars, we are having HD binoculars. In terms of your surveying equipments, we are having, handheld, lightweighted, that comes with your RTK with the accuracy of 1 centimeter only. In terms of communication, we are having numerous walkie talkies starting from your 2 kilometers and then goes up to your 5 to 6 kilometers. And they all are license free walkie talkies. So at last, I just told you like my products are my strength only.
That's nice, sir. What message would you share with your potential customers, visitors, and the individual exploring your booth, sir?
So like my personal message is come to our stall and explore the new products. You'll get, you'll come to know about the different technologies which are coming in, coming years. Like we are keep on, upgrading our products.
Yeah.
So my stall is E4. Let's visit the E4 stall and definitely you'll get a good, you'll get a good portfolio over here. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo 2026. We are organizing again one more expo holding in this month of September in New Delhi. So would you like to participate again over there?
See, actually, this is not the first time we are, participating in Drone Expo. From the last 2-3 years, we are continuously participating in Drone Expo.
That's nice.
So last year in Yashobhumi, we are the part of that Drone Expo too. And I guess in September and October, there is a expo in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So we are also part of that Drone Expo. So we are already linked up with your Drone Expo.
Yeah.
And to be very frank, we'll get a good, crowd and we'll also get a good opportunity through your platform. So again, thank you to you for providing such a good opportunity so that like we will display our product in front of, the peoples, the student and the defense persons. So thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.